You won't believe how glowy your skin can get. If you want all the smoothing, plumping, and brightening benefits of vitamin C, you have to use it in its most potent form. This is the gold standard of vitamin C. Vitamin C is notoriously unstable. It degrades its potency the minute it's exposed to liquid. So vitamin C serums, big mistake. That's why our vitamin C is in powder form. It's the most potent way to deliver all of the benefits with every single shake. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, helping speed up cell turnover, bringing fresher skin cells to the surface, leading to more luminous skin. It also inhibits melanin production, which is the cause of hyperpigmentation. You will be amazed at how quickly dark spots fade after using this vitamin C. We included ferulic acid, another antioxidant that really helps to boost the benefits of vitamin C and helps to reduce the development of fine lines, spots, and wrinkles. Our vitamin C booster can and should be used by anyone, regardless of age, skin type, or how short or long your skincare routine is. And it's pregnancy safe. All you do is take 1 to 2 shakes into your favorite skincare product and ta-da! You've just transformed it into a supercharged vitamin C treatment. But that's not the only way you can use our vitamin C booster. You can also use this vitamin C as a spot treatment by gently shaking a little bit in the palm of your hand, taking a concealer brush, and apply directly to your toughest dark spots. Or if you're the type of person who just likes to splash some water on your face in the morning, wet your hands, put a little shake in the palm of your hands, and pat your face. You can use vitamin C booster in the morning to protect against the harmful elements like free radicals, UV rays, and pollution. Use it in the evening to enhance that heightened cellular turnover all while you sleep. We recommend using it with our Tubula Active Immunity Serum for that supercharged glowy skin cocktail.